Hey, gardeners! Have you been thinking that once fall hits, your garden needs to take a break? Well, guess what? That's where you're wrong. October could be the perfect time to plant some of the best veggies you'll be harvesting throughout winter. Today, we're diving into the best fall vegetables you should get in the ground right now for an incredible winter harvest. Don't pack away those tools just yet because we've got some planting to do. Let's get straight into it with our top picks. These veggies not only survive the cooler temperatures, but they thrive in them. 1. Kale the frost lover. First up is kale. If you're looking for a super cold hardy vegetable, this is it. Kale actually becomes sweeter after a frost, so October is the ideal time to plant it. You'll be enjoying fresh, nutrient-packed leaves all winter long. Plus, it's so easy to grow. Just give it some sunlight and well-drained soil, and kale will pretty much take care of itself. 2. Carrots the underground warrior. Next, we've got carrots. These root veggies are tough and can handle chilly weather like a champ. Plant them in October, and by winter, you'll be pulling up some crunchy, sweet carrots. Here's a tip: cover them with a bit of mulch to keep the ground from freezing, and you'll have fresh carrots ready when you need them. 3. Garlic plant now, harvest later. Ever thought about planting garlic in October? This might be your game changer. Garlic needs to overwinter to grow strong. Plant the cloves in October and come next summer, you'll be harvesting huge, flavorful bulbs. It's low maintenance and gives you that winter garden satisfaction knowing that something's growing underneath the surface. 4. Spinach the cold, resistant, leafy green. Spinach is another leafy green that loves the cold. Plant it in October, and you'll have a fresh crop of spinach throughout the winter. The cool weather helps keep the leaves tender and flavorful. Plus, it grows fast, so you won't be waiting long to start harvesting those nutrient-rich leaves. 5. Brussels sprouts, winter's best kept secret. Brussels sprouts are the perfect fall to winter crop. Plant them now, and these little cabbages will slowly grow and mature through the winter months. By the time frost really hits, they'll be ready for harvest. And just like kale, Brussels sprouts taste even better after a frost. So don't shy away from planting these in October. And there you have it, your garden doesn't need to go to sleep in October. These fall vegetables are tough, delicious, and perfect for a winter harvest. So don't wait, get out there and plant some kale, carrots, garlic, spinach, and Brussels sprouts today. Your winter meals are going to thank you for it. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more gardening tips, and leave a comment below telling us what you're planting this October. Until next time, happy gardening!